Are you guys ready for a Shop Miss A haul? This is gonna be all about nails, so let's get started. First off, I want to talk about their cuticle repair oil pens. These are called Nail and Cuticle Repair Oil Pens. The one I have here is Jasmine, and this one is probably my favorite. I already took it out because I was very intrigued. I wanted to smell it, and this one is definitely one of my favorites. So they also came out with a peach one, and look at that packaging. All the cute little peaches, so cute. And then they also have a strawberry one. I'm telling you guys, the packaging is just the cutest. And there we go. They also have a lemon one and the rose one. This one is also one of my favorites. I also really liked the strawberry one. This one just reminds me a lot of bubblegum. The rose one has a really nice but very faint rose smell, so it's not gonna be overwhelming. So let me show you guys how the little cuticle pens look like out of the packaging and how they work. So this is what the cuticle pens look like outside of the packaging. Here is a little close-up, and what you're supposed to do is you have the little brush side. This is what you're going to use on your nails, on your cuticles, and then this is the twist side. So you're going to twist and it's gonna click. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the pen and I'm gonna add the cuticle oil. So this is basically all you do. You just take the little pen and then go around on your nails and on the cuticle. Okay, so this hand does not have any of the cuticle oil. It's like super dry. And then this hand does. And I think these are great because you can just stick one in your purse, have it with you, apply it on the go if you want to. So I think these were a pretty good idea. I'm just gonna do the other hand now because we're already here, why not? And my cuticles need that hydration. Alright you guys, so next up I have some nail files, and this one is just one. This is a square nail file, and then these are some more nail files. These come in a pack of 5 and these are each $1. So more nail stuff. Next up, I am very excited about these. So these are Soak Off nail clips, and these come in a pack of 5. You get 2 different colors. So I have pink right here and then black, and these are actually pretty cool, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open these and show you. These are pretty nice and they're quite gentle. They're not going to like really mush your finger, if that makes sense. So what you will do to take off, like for example artificial nails, you will take a cotton ball, you'll soak it in some nail polish remover, and you'll put it around your nail, and then you can come in with these and just clip in your finger with the cotton, with the nail polish remover, and then you just leave it there for a bit, and then you can gently remove your nail or nail polish. So I think these are going to be really cool, and you guys, as always, just $1. And yeah, I feel like they're pretty good quality as well for $1, and they feel really nice. So really excited about these. Next up, I have a 4-way buffer. So this I don't know if you guys have used these before, but basically I'll just read from the back so I don't confuse any of you guys. So side number 1 is to file your nail edges. Side number 2 is to buff away ridges. And then side number 3 is going to be used to smooth your nails. and then the edges as well. And then side number 4 is to add some shine to your nails. So yeah, I think these are pretty cool, and again, just $1. And last but not least, I have some nail brushes here. So these are going to be used to clean around and under your nail. So these come in a pack of 2, and the ones I got here are pink. So this is what they look like, and you would basically just take them and like clean around your nails or under. I wonder, let's see, I mean, you could hold them like this if you wanted to, like whatever works for you, but yep, that's what these are. Again, they come in a pack of 2 for just $1. But all right, you guys, that is it for today's quick nail haul from Shop Miss A. Let me know what you guys are most excited about, what you will be adding to the cart. You guys treat yourself. It's just $1. It's all good, but I am definitely most excited about these cuticle nail pens and the Soak Off nail clips. I would definitely add these to the cart. Just saying. Just a little recommendation. But all right, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.